Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a perfect, super compact fan that is great for travel. This was sent over by HandFan, and it is their portable mini fan. The model number is HF024. Once you open it up, you're obviously getting a user manual. We're covering all the features right here in the video. You're also going to get a USB to USB Type-C charging cable to power up the fan. But then as you can see, here is the super mini fan. Like I said, this thing is awesome because it will easily fit in your pocket. It can easily fit in a purse or a clutch bag. You can easily throw it in a backpack. It's always ready to go. So whether you are out taking a walk, whether you're going to a sporting game, whether you're hanging out on the beach, whether you're working out in the gym and you need a little cool off, you got a fan right at your fingertips. Now it's gonna come with the optional lanyard to put on, so you can put this around your wrist if you want, like you're going to an amusement park and you can easily grab it when you're in a line. How you're gonna activate it is, it's got a little power button here on the front side. Just simply tap that twice and it will turn on, and there you go. Now you can kind of hear it. It's pretty quiet on the low mode. On the back side, you're gonna have the USB Type-C. That is where you're gonna plug in, charge it in. Now, it has 3 speeds on it. On the low end here, this is at 10,000 RPMs. Press it again, it's gonna go to the medium, which is 16,000 RPMs. The highest one is 19,000 RPMs, and it is blowing some serious wind here. Press it a 4th time, and it will turn off. Now, at that 19,000 RPMs, this thing you can actually feel about 16 feet away. So if you want to cool off a friend, you can easily just turn it and blast them with some air. Now, as far as the battery life on this thing, it does have a 2000 mAh battery on the device itself. What does that mean? Well, on the highest setting, you're gonna get about an hour and a half worth of battery life out of it, but on the lowest end, you're gonna get 9 hours worth of it. So depending on what settings you're utilizing, anywhere from an hour and a half up to 9 hours, so you can easily get an all-day charge out of this thing if you're using it on the lower settings. Now, I have just the black one here, but it does come in other colors. It comes in white and pink, so you do have some little color options depending on your personality. But to give you an idea of the size, like I said, it is super compact. It is about 4 inches in height, and it is about 1 3/4 inches kind of wide, and then 1 1/4 inches at the fan side in depth. But overall, if you are looking for a little mini powerful fan to keep you cool this summer, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.